and welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to go over 3 very easy ways that you can remove blank rows in your dataset. Let's get started. The first way is super easy. We're going to simply select our data, go to our data tab, and apply a filter. You'll notice here that we have a column of numbers, text, and then as well another column of numbers. What you can do is simply choose any of these, sort by largest to smallest, or sort alphabetically or reverse alphabetically. By choosing any of these, it will automatically push your blank cells to the bottom, just like that, or just like this. It automatically ignores those blank rows and allows those to be pushed to the bottom because they're not in the order that we're looking for. However, if you're looking to remove these blank rows or cells, this feature is not going to be useful for you. So that brings us to option number 2. What we can do is actually use this filter, come here, unselect all of our cells, and only go to the blanks. Once we press OK, you'll notice that 10, 11, and 12 are actually blue, and the rest of the numbers are black. The blue numbers are showing what rows we have that are actually part of our data set. So we can just simply select the blue ones, come here, right-click, delete row, and once we delete those rows, you'll notice that they've turned to black. If we unselect our filter, so clear our filter, we will now notice that all of those cells are no longer there. We've deleted all of those blank rows by simply filtering them out first, deleting those rows, and then unfiltering. Now there's one more way that you can also remove these blank rows, and that is by using your go-to special feature. So let's go and highlight our first row, Home, Find and Select, go to Special, and here we're going to want to select blanks. Once we press blanks, press OK, and you'll notice that it's highlighted all over blank rows. So it's highlighted row 4, 8, and 11. However, it's not highlighted the entire row. And what we want to do is actually remove each of these. So instead of going through and manually removing and deleting every single row, we can come here to our cell section, delete, and delete sheet rows. This will allow us to delete the rows that we have highlighted, even if we don't have the entire row highlighted. Let's click this, and here you will see now that those 3 blank rows have been removed. And just like that, you've been able to quickly remove all of your blank rows in your dataset. Hopefully this saves you a lot of time, and if you thought this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.